In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence space. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean copy of your content for sharing, archiving, or migrating without any confusion. First, open the Confluence space you want to download. Make sure you're looking at the correct space, especially if your organization has similarly named areas or multiple projects. You'll need at least view access for the pages you want, and in many setups, space export requires additional permissions, so keep that in mind as you proceed. Next, go to Space Settings. You'll find this in the Space's own menu. Depending on your Confluence version and theme, it may appear as a gear icon or a Space Settings link. If you don't see it, you might not have the right permissions, and an administrator may need to enable or run the export for you. Inside Space Settings, look for the Export or Content Tools section. Confluence groups export features under tools that manage pages and attachments. The exact wording can vary. Sometimes it's labeled Content Tools, sometimes Export, but it's always where you control what gets included and how it's packaged. Now choose the export format. You'll typically see PDF, HTML, or XML. Pick the one that matches your goal. PDF is ideal for polished, read-only documents that look good for stakeholders. HTML gives you a folder of web pages you can browse locally or host elsewhere, retaining much of the page structure. XML is best for backups or migrations because it preserves page hierarchy and metadata in a structured way that other Confluence instances can import. If styling or images are important, remember that PDFs render the page content, while HTML exports include a folder of assets. Then select the pages you want to include. You can usually export the entire space or limit the export to specific pages. If you're narrowing it down, confirm whether child pages are included automatically and whether attachments are part of the export. Take a moment to review the page tree so you don't miss key sections. Start the export process. Click the export button and let Confluence prepare the file. Large spaces can take time, so don't worry if it sits for a moment. Keep the tab open until you're told it's ready. Finally, download the exported file once Confluence finishes preparing it. Depending on the format, you'll get a single PDF or a zip containing HTML or XML. Save it somewhere secure and you're done. That's the full process for exporting a Confluence space, clean and simple. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.